In today's video, we are going to review and see one of the rarest blend that has been discontinued by Abdul Samad Al Qurashi, and that is basically Rawdah Blend. This is the blend, this is the bottle. You can see over here. Let me make it as close as I can to you. So this is the blend. Bottle is very nice. It is almost the Rawdah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, tomb of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And here is the juice. You can see over here it's actually 12 ml, and it can be seen from both sides, although it seems that it is very low in quantity, but it is actually 12 ml. So one of my friends actually shown me this bottle, and since then I was trying to get it, my hands on it, and now I have it. So let's try to discuss the bottle first, because this is really beautiful bottle. You can see there is some calligraphy, Arabian calligraphy at the back side. Let me zoom in. You can see there is some calligraphy print on the back, and the top is actually this top is, let me see if it can zoom. Oops, no. So the top cap is actually green and golden, which is showing the green dome of the tomb of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the top area, which is also green. So this is basically the Rawdah Blend. I should be careful with the bottle so I don't drop it. Anyhow, so personally I haven't smelled this before. I bought it just for the presentation. The bottle was very good. So let's come to the box. Box is also very elegant. This is the box of Rawdah Blend. You can see over here. Let me see if it can zoom. Yes, this is the Rawdah Blend box, and when you open the box, you can see we have a shield over here, which is a very lovely shield. Let me show you. This is the shield. So you can also, let me see if it can zoom into it. Let me show you the shine upon it, and it can be put on the table like this. So this is a really nice piece of art. I haven't seen any boxing or any presentation of any perfume or any other like this one. This is really rare, and this is really nice. You can put it in your drawing room or where you meet with different people. So let's come to the smell of this one. So for the smell, I'm going to give you some of the hints. Okay, so the smell is very divine, kind of uplifting smell. Jasmine is very prominent over here. Then we have amber over here. Amber is also there. Jasmine, amber, these are the two I pick the most. Then there is rose. Rose is definitely there with the jasmine. So these are the three I pick the most. I'm not sure about its composition. It is very close to you can say like a very best version of Hajr-e-aswad. So if you have used Hajr-e-aswad Attar or some kind of Attar like that, it is very close to that one. I have heard that there is oud in it, but I'm not sure how much. There might be very small quantity used, because I don't detect much oud over here. One more thing, its dry down is really beautiful. It is loud, because the jasmine and rose combo, whenever they are used, they are a bit loud. They reflect a lot. They surround you when you apply any other where jasmine and rose are there. So they are going to be a bit punchy in the start, and then it is going to get light. Then there is amber, and then there is a light muskiness at the end. There is a sweet musk, very sweet, very delicate, very light, kind of like white musk, but a very high quality white musk, if I might say, because I have smelled real Tibetan musk that is not in over here. So it must be white musk, but whatever musk has been used, it is not low quality, it is very, very high quality white musk. So this is actually the smell of this Rawdah Blend. You can see over here, I really enjoyed this one. This is I think one of the smells that you get from Khana Kaaba or holy place of Muslims. This is the smell. I think I have been there in when I was a child. I think it belongs to that era. I'm not sure what they are applying right now, but at my time, like in 1980s and 90s, they used to apply something similar to this one. So this is a really nice piece of work. Jasmine, rose and amber are prominent for me. I'm not sure how this blend has been made, but most, I think 97% of the blend is all naturals. I don't sense much synthetics in it. I'm afraid to say that Abdul Samad Al Qurashi these days, they are using a lot of synthetics in their blends, and I really don't like them. So this is the one, if you can get your hands on it, I think 12 ml is a lot. You cannot finish them even in 5 years. This is a definite buy if you like to collect Attars and if you like to experience high quality blends. This is a must. So this is my review about this Al Rawdah Blend 12 ml. I think you can get it around maybe $350 or $300. I got it in almost 50,000 Pakistani rupees, almost rounding off. So I think it is going to be anything above or around about $300. So you can also decant it from someone. If someone has already bought it, you can get the sense of it by using just 1 ml or 1 gram. You can get them from them. So that is all about Al Rawdah Blend from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you soon in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, because Al Rawdah Blend, I haven't seen any review. Nobody have ever told me how it will smell. So that is all. I hope to see you soon in another video with another smell or scent or perfume. Till then, take care. Bye bye.